Hey everybody, and today I wanted to share with you a quick art tip. This is something you can do in Photoshop, but in the case that you may not have Photoshop, here's a very quick and simple way to do it in this free program called Krita, or Krita. So say you have a sketch. It's got that white background, and you're taking your line art and you're preparing it for the paint layers, but you can't have all this background opacity in there because you're trying to clean it up and just have like the paint on there. You may not even keep the line art in there. You could turn that layer completely off and just have the paints in there. But you have this problem of this background because you can add your own background in there, but you may not want this one. So an easy way to get rid of this background, a background like this, and just keep your line art in Krita, is to go to Filter, Colors, Color to Alpha, and just like that, your opacity, your white background goes away, and you're left just with a very solid, easy, clean, transparent background behind your line art. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this helped you, and I'll see you next time.